Sania says, I heard we should make dua in sujood and before salam. So do I need to recite Fatiha and Durood in the beginning and the end? If I don't, then my dua won't be accepted. Sania's question about making dua in sujood and before salam. First of all, generally speaking, I'm sitting in my room, I'm not doing anything. All of a sudden, I want to make dua to Allah Azza wa Jal, to guide my children to abide by Islam and guide my daughters to abide by hijab. What to do? There are etiquettes. Now, this is a general dua. The etiquette is to raise my hands and to praise Allah Azza wa Jal. Allahumma lakal hamdu hamdan kathiran tayyiban mubarakan fi. And to offer salutation, what is known as Durood in Urdu. So I say, Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallayta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka hamidun majid. Because the Prophet said, alayhi salatu salam, dua is blocked between heaven and the earth until you offer salutation upon me. So we have to offer salutation upon the Prophet alayhi salatu salam. And after that, I would say, oh Allah, guide my children to abide by Islam. Oh Allah, guide my daughters to abide by the hijab. And go on. This is the etiquette of dua. Now, when I am in sujood, the Prophet told us that when you're sujood, you are as close as you can be to Allah Azza wa Jal. So, make dua. And he did not tell us praise Allah Azza wa Jal or offer salutation upon the Prophet alayhi salatu wasalam. So we go directly without doing that. And also, before salam, after the salutation, in the last rak'ah, the Prophet says, as-salam, choose whatever dua you wish. So praising Allah Azza wa Jal is not part of the sunnah here. And offering the salutation is not needed because I have just done this a couple of seconds ago. Now, Fatiha is not included at all. She says, Sania, do I need to recite the Fatiha? Fatiha is never recited when making dua, whether generally speaking or when you are in sujood. Not only that, it is prohibited to be recited in sujood. It is prohibited to be recited before the salam, because this is an innovation. And in the sujood, it is prohibited to recite the Quran. Therefore, you are not allowed to do this. You don't have to praise Allah or offer salutation upon the Prophet ﷺ. What happens if I do? During sujood, it's okay. It's a dua. But it is not part of the sunnah to do so because we were not directed to do so, and Allah Azza wa Jal knows best.